Our topic is sound as energy, and our complex question is how does sound characteristics relate to energy? The two characteristics we came up with were pitch and loudness. And for the first experiment, we're going to demonstrate the pitch. What we're going to do for the setup is we have a line of beads to demonstrate the frequency and a metal bowl, and we're going to fill it with the water. And we're going to tape the beads to the bottom of the bowl. For our pitch inquiry, it is how does the sound frequency, which is the same thing as pitch, affect the energy? And our claim is that the longer the frequency, the less the energy. Alright, I'm going to dump the water into the bowl. Okay. And for this part of the experiment, I'm going to hold up the beads at a high level, which is demonstrating a long frequency. And by flicking the beads, you can see the reaction in the water. There's longer frequency and it's showing less energy. When you flick it, there's not much waves going. And then I'm going to hold it down lower to represent a lower frequency and do the same thing by flicking the beads. And you can see that there's more ripples and more waves, which is producing more energy in the water. And this experiment proves that our claim that the longer the frequency, the less the energy. Okay. And for our next experiment, we're going to demonstrate the loudness. What we're going to use for the setup for this is a bowl, and I'm going to fill it with water, and then a blowhorn. And then the only step for this experiment is dumping the water into the bowl. Our loudness inquiry is how does the sound volume affect energy? And our claim is the louder the sound is, the more energy it produces. For this experiment, I'm going to press down the blowhorn underwater at a full force and to see how the water reacts. As you can see there's a lot of ripples and waves going on in the water, which demonstrates that the higher level of energy. And then if I press on the horn lightly, showing a quieter volume, you can see there's less waves and ripples into the water. And then this experiment proves our claim: the louder the sound is, the more energy it produces. And overall, as shown by both of our experiments, sound as energy can be demonstrated by both pitch and loudness.